Okay, this video is going to show you how to take stuff off one learning unit and put it into your own new learning unit. So if you want to steal some of the stuff that I've done, you can. The way to do this is to first create a new learning unit. So go into my learning community and click on here, create new learning unit. Okay, give it a name. I'm going to call this one music test unit, delete me later, and you don't need to give it a description when you start, but you might describe there to the students what they need to do. Okay, click submit, and now you're in your new test unit. First thing I always do when I get into a new unit is click on administration and go and change it to one of the nicer color schemes, because the ones that are provided are pretty horrible. Let's choose this one because it's pretty very girly. Okay, now up the top right over here you'll see quick switch, which allows you to jump to other units. This shows you just the units that you've been enrolled to. So if you're not already enrolled to the unit that you need to steal stuff from, then enroll to it first. You can request a subscription. So I'm going to show you how to take all the stuff off my Year 8 composition unit, the When Doves Cry unit, and stick it in your own. So it's really easy. All you have to do is go to the Year 8 composition unit, find the page that you want to steal stuff off. So this is the introduction page, so I might start with the introduction page and edit it. So it says edit project description. Now we want to just copy and paste all this over, but you don't want to copy and paste it from the normal text view, because that won't work. So the process is simply always remember, click source and then highlight all of this complicated looking HTML code and copy it, Command C. Then you can close that and go back to your own unit, which we just called music test unit in this case. And then you can either start putting stuff onto the front page, or you might want to add a new focus area. So I'm going to add a new focus area and I'm going to call it When Doves Cry Overview. And then you want to paste it into here. You've got to remember, before you paste, to again click on the source button, which puts it into HTML mode, and then Command V to paste. All the code goes in. Click Add Focus Area, and hey presto, up it comes. It's over here. So there it is. It's all there. Even the music that was embedded will play back.
What we gonna do right here?
So let's go to do one more page, just as an example. So we'll go back to my music composition unit, and then let's go and maybe pick out the week 2 one, which is a good one because it's got some big screen video further down here. So we're going to click Modify Focus Area. Make sure you click the source button first to go into HTML view. Command A to select all, Command C to copy, close. Go back over now to your new unit, add a new focus area or even a sub-focus area. So I might go into When Doves Cry Overview, add a sub-focus and say Stage 2, because this was the week 2. Stage 2, or When Doves Cry Stage 2. Click on the source button, again so we're in HTML. Remember to do that before you paste. Paste is Command V, and then click Sub Focus. That saves it. You can see it's here now under When Doves Cry Stage 2. If I click on that, you should see again everything there, even the movies, and they'll all play back beautifully.
In class we learned how to download and install the When Doves Cry loops into GarageBand. You can
So it's quite easy. The only problem you might have is that you might find on the front page there were some links to individual pages of my unit that will take you straight to an individual page that might actually take you out of your unit. So you might not want to use the overview and just use the individual lessons and write your own overview. That's it.